In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a payment to a customer invoice in QuickBooks Online. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, head to the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click the New button. Depending on your view, it may appear as a plus sign with the word New. This is your gateway to creating transactions and recording activity. From the list that appears, select Receive Payment. This option tells QuickBooks you're recording money collected from a customer, and it opens a form designed specifically for matching that payment to existing invoices. Next, choose the customer you're receiving the payment from. Use the Customer dropdown and select the correct profile. As soon as you do, QuickBooks will automatically display all invoices for that customer that still have open balances. This automatic filter is helpful because it narrows the list to only the invoices that can accept a payment and keeps you from accidentally applying money to something that's already paid. Take a moment to review what you see. You'll typically find invoice numbers, dates, and remaining balances. If you expected an invoice that isn't listed, it's usually because it has already been paid in full or belongs to a different customer profile. Verifying those details now helps ensure your records stay accurate and that reports like AIR aging are correct. To link the payment to the right invoice or invoices, check the box next to each invoice you want to apply this payment to. Checking a box tells QuickBooks, attach this money to that invoice. If the customer is paying multiple invoices at once, simply select each one that applies. If they're paying just a single invoice, select only that one. As you mark the boxes, QuickBooks updates the amount so the payment is properly associated with the invoices you've chosen. Before you wrap up, give the selections a quick review. Confirm the customer is correct and that the invoices you checked match what the customer intended to pay. A brief double check here helps prevent misapplied payments and saves time later. When everything looks good, select Save and Close. This commits the payment, applies it to the selected invoices, and brings you back to your workspace. You'll now see those invoices updated with reduced or zero balances, and your customer's account will reflect the payment accurately. That's all. With just a few clicks, you've applied a customer payment to open invoices in QuickBooks Online, keeping your books clean and your receivables up to date.